Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Watch it. This flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, get the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Gunners, blast away. Blast. Ah, there it is. After that train. Fire engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Right, engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo's breaking free. Keep shooting. My friend. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. A gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. It's a big We've got to get out of here. A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Hit the boosters! Boost! We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, bloody enough. Looks like we